Oh, Jesus, run, buddy. Run and just get the hell out of here, man. Oh, it's too late for you. It's too late for you. Oh, no. G'day, guys. What is happening? My name is NatoPotato, and welcome to a game called Slime Rancher. It is slimy, it is creepy, it is just full of fun. Now, it's a game about a young rancher, me, who goes exploring on some crazy distant planets to make a life, making a ranch full of slime. Let's get into it. Oh my god. How cute is that thing? Oh wow, hey, get in my vac! Yes, give me more. Give me them all. Oh yes, tasty, 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 tasty. Okay, we got some slimes. Slimes are the key to your success. Shoot the slimes through the coral barrier into the coral on the ranch. Blah blah blah. That's how we get in my vac. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, let's shoot them in here. Pow! Oh my god, so cute. Get in there. That's the way. Hey guys. Hey, I can get in, but you can't get out. Take that. When slimes eat, they make plorts. Head over to the plort market to cash in your plort. Oh my god, what is it doing? It's getting its ink everywhere. Hey, clean yourself up. Clean yourself up, bro. Shoot a plort into the plort market and earn some cash. Okay. Pow! Okay. Alright. I guess we got some cash. Let's go explore, guys. Let's explore the vast wonders of this planet, of this beautiful, beautiful planet. Let's go get some slimes. Oh, slimies. Hey there! Get in my thing. Get in it. Get it. Oh, we got some carrots. Sweet as. Let's pick up all the carrots. Get in, man. Okay. You think you can escape me? You can't escape me. I am the master sucking ranch slime guy. Yes, that's what I am. You too. You get in. Get in. Oh, give me that. Give me that stuff. Give me that. Yep, that's the way. Get that. Go. No, come back. Come back. Okay. Oh my god, they just come out of the friggin' the wall, the things. I didn't even get to read any of this this whatchamacallit. I forget the word. What's the word? The tutorial. Jesus, that was hard. Okay, let's get in there. Pow 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 pow. That seems somewhat cruel, doesn't it? Leaving them all in there. Look at them, look how happy they are. They're having a right old time. Let's jump around with them. Jump around, jump around, jump. Wee. Chicken, what you doing, bro? What you doing, bro? Oh god, come back here. Thank you. Get in my vac. Get in my vac. Get in my vac. God, this is fun. This is so damn fun. Oh, there's more Pago fruits. Yummy. Yummy. In my tummy. In my tummy. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. I just hurt the chickens. Oh, them poor chickens. Oh my god, I just threw that one against the wall. That is awesome. Man, we're fast. We are so fast at sprinting. We must be some bicentennial robot man with super awesome robot legs. That's what we are. They're all trying to get out. Look at them. Hey, you can't do that. Get back in there. They're trying to escape. You can't escape. Why'd they just go all crazy and excited? Get back, get away. Hey, Mr. Chicken. Hey, how are ya? Here, have a carrot. Come back, carrot. Hey, get down from there. Get down from there. Oh, they get hungry. Oh, have some carrots. Yum. Man, this would be a hard job, I tell you that. Get in me. Okay, oh, this one's getting pretty far. How dare you? Come back here. All right, let's try and make another thing. Let's do that. Let's do another thing. Can we do it? We need 250 points. I ain't got 250 points. Hey, Mr. Chicken. Hey. A hearty chicken bred to be twice as tasty as its cousin on Earth. Oh, Jesus. I wonder if we chuck him in here. What will they do to him? Oh my god, they just ate the chicken. Oh my god. Oh, they just ate the chicken. That is insane. Am I a bad person for doing that? Yes, I think I am. I really think how'd you get over there? Huh, buddy? Hey, where you think you're going? Come here. All right, you get in me too. All right, get back in there. Get back in, that's the way. All right, enjoy playtime. Daddy's going out for a while. Gonna go get some more slimes. Eat the hen, eat it. Oh my God, it's so brutal. I love it. I love it so much. Yes, get in me. Get in me. Oh, yummy. Oh, that's a big one. Come with me, little slimy. You're so huge. You are so huge and disgusting. Hey there, how's it hanging? How's it going? Are you having a good time? I'm having a good time. Please don't ever leave me. Please don't ever leave me. You get in there. Yeah, you have fun in there. Look how many there are. Look, they're friggin' working together to escape, and they just escaped. They're chasing that chicken. They're trying to eat him. Oh my God, that chicken. That poor chicken. I'll save you, chicken. Just tricks. Get in there. Oh, he got friggin' brutally eaten. That's awesome. More slimes. More slimes. Slimes for days. Slimes for days. Slimes. Oh, slimes. Oh, slimy slimes. Oh God, what do I do? Oh man, what is that thing? What is that? Those awful ravenous rainbows. Oh God, it's eating me. What happens if I put you in a cage? Huh? I'm gonna put you in my cage. Come on, I'm taking you with me. Oh Jesus, what the hell is going on? Oh man, oh I think it's real angry now. How far do we have? Not much longer. Oh God, what happens if I put it in the pit? What happens? I'm about to find that out, I guess. Oh God, oh God. Ah, you're stuck in there now, boy. Oh my God, no. Oh my God, no. Oh God, no. What have I done? Oh no, what have I done? Oh, that was a bad choice. They're just wreaking havoc. Look at them. Oh, they're getting into my pen. This is so heartbreaking. I can't even save them. They've multiplied everywhere. Sweet golly, no. Oh God, no. Oh wow, this is terrifying. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh, I've ruined the game. Oh man, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. I've actually ruined the game. Take some slimes. Chase the slimes. Chase the slimes, man. Not me. Oh, shite, 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 shite. What do I even do in this situation? Is this game over? Oh Jesus, run buddy, run and just get the hell out of here, man. Oh, it's too late for you, it's too late for you. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, you are so dead, you are so dead, man. Oh God, why did you even come out? Oh, that was a bad mistake. What if I feed them a carrot? What will happen if I feed them a carrot? Huh? You want a carrot? Eat a carrot. Have a carrot, man. Have a carrot, seriously, have a carrot, try one. Try a carrot. They don't like carrots. Come on, bro. This way. This way. Oh God, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. Oh man. Okay, this way. This way. This way. This way, guys. Come on. Come get some. I'm gonna leave him over there. He will slowly disintegrate into nothing. That's awesome. Now I'm gonna have to start all of this again. That's great. Oh, I love this game. I love it so much. Awesome. We're off to a good start, guys. Guys, I'm gonna have to leave that one there. I hope you enjoyed it. This was very strange. I must admit, it was very strange, but I enjoyed it. It was enjoyable. That's all I can say. Really, that's all I can say. Oh Jesus, I just smacked my microphone. My bad. Let me fix that and continue with my outro. Okay. All right, we're good. All right, that's fixed. No, it's not. Okay, no. Okay. Now we got that out the way. Make sure you leave a like, guys, leave a comment and tell me what you thought. Stay safe, guys, and don't do anything I wouldn't do.